version controlling system. Version controlling system. What is the purpose? There are multiple people are available in the project level. This is the developer 1, developer 2, developer 3, like that. Multiple people are available. Each and every people, entire project is not at all developing. This developer 1 is developing some sort of the components. Some other kind of people are developing some sort of the components, right? So how to integrate? Sometimes same kind of file, multiple people are also working. Then how to merge the code? That is the cases level people are going to using version controlling system. These developers information, we need to maintain one common place. That common place is the repository. Version control system, through we need to maintain and integrate all the code into this common location. That is the purpose people are using version control system. That version control system is, I am going to say, GitHub. GitHub is the version controlling system. So sometimes developer 1 or developer 2 or developer 3, even testing team also there. Each and every people, if I want to access my code, what is required? GitHub version control system is required. There are multiple kind of version controls are available. Basically, that version controls are two types are there. Centralized repository kind of and distributed kind of version control system. So basically, GitHub is the distributed version control system. Okay, this GitHub knowledge is very important. If I want to perform this kind of GitHub operations, you need a GitHub account. You need a GitHub account. If you don't have any GitHub account, please go to the browser and sign up. github.com. Site it is opening. This is the way it is going to opening. You can sign up that one. I have already account. That's the reason directly I need to go to the my account. I need to provide the username or email and password and sign in. It is going to enter into this GitHub. Here I need to create one repository, one space I'm going to create. For that purpose, click new, or else even you can see here plus symbol also. This is also you can use. Here I'm going to providing Suchi IT underscore React.js. Your understanding purpose, you can give anything. You can give Suchi IT React.js. This is the repository. You need to create a repository, one space that is available publicly. Anyone can able to access like that. You can give. Even you can use private also. Private means we need to collaboratively only we are able to access it. So right now I'm going to provide the public only. If you want to add any kind of information, you can use add file, test file also you can able to add, otherwise ignore. Later point of time you can able to add this one. After that, click create repository. So once you are going to done, it is going to create in the repository. Okay. So that repository is now empty. Your understanding purpose. Again, diagrammatically I'm going to representing so that you can able to get the more clarity. This is the my laptop. Okay. My laptop level, my projects are available. But right now we have created GitHub. That is the remote place where it is available. We don't know. That's the reason I'm going to say that is a remote repository. Remote repository. Remote repository. What is that one? GitHub. GitHub is the remote repository. It is not available in our laptop. We have just created this one. My workspace is there. I need to go to my workspace. Where is my workspace? My workspace is available in the desktop. New HTML. Okay. This is the React.js. This is my workspace. These files I need to push into my GitHub. Okay. I need to push all the files into my GitHub. This is my workspace. So my workspace is nothing but this is my workspace. I'm going to say this is my workspace. Your understanding purpose, I'm going to say this is the workspace. In this workspace level, whatever the files is there, that files based, you need to create a local repository. Here you need to create what? Local repository. This is what? Local repository. Local repository. How to create? We are going to using git init command. What is the command we are going to using? Git init. Git init command is we are using and we are going to create in the local repository. Sir, how to create this one? How to create this one? First of all, you need to install the GitHub. You need to install Git bash. Git bash download. So you can able to see git-scm.com. You need to click the download according to your operating system. You need to download. Why? Because git commands execution purpose. We are going to using git bash instead of command prompt. We are using the git bash. So you need to download and install. My system level already download and install. With the help of git bash, I need to create a local repository. See this one. This is my workspace. Here I'm opening git bash. Once you are install the git bash, mouse right button you need to click. You can able to see here git bash here. This is not at all visible if you are not installed the git bash. If you are installed the git bash, you can able to find git bash here and click this one. Once you are going to click, you can able to see like this. Okay. Here I need to create a local repository. What is the command? Git init. Whenever I'm going to using this command, it is creating the local repository. Sir, what is the proof it is created or not? If you want to see, go to the view, show view, hidden items. Even hidden items also you can able to see here. Okay. So this is the options available. You can able to see this one. this git init level information, local repository information. So that means internally it is creating. .git folder is created. .git folder is here, it is created, that is hidden. Okay. Show view and you can able to show hidden items also. Okay. Hidden items also you can able to see that one, or else you can go to the here view level. You can able to see all the files information here. Options are available here. Okay, I will show that one little bit later. Even you can go to here, you can able to see .git is showing, right? But I'm going to create in the .git here. See this one in the top level. Here it is available. This is called local repository. So now local repository is created. My workspace level files, whatever the workspace level files are available, that files I need to push into this particular. So my workspace level, I need to push the whatever the files are, whatever the project is available, that project I need to push into the where? My local repository. How to push this one? First we need to check. Whether it is any kind of files are added or not. That is the purpose. Git status I'm going to using. It is showing what? Red color. That means these are the files are available in the workspace, but it is not associated with the local repository. We need to attach this one. How to attach? We need to use the command git add dot. Dot means all files and folders I need to attach. Okay, once it is attached, we need to check again git status. What it is happening here? It is going to give some kind of green color it is showing, but it is not committed. Okay, if I want to commit this one, I need to provide git commit, and we need to provide here message first commit. This is the way you need to commit this one. So that means what happened here? We are creating the git init. Okay. After that, you need to add the files into the my local repository. That is the purpose. Git add space dot. That information associated with this one. That is the purpose. Another kind of command also we are using. What is that one? Git commit -m and message we are going to provide it. So that your workspace files are now where it is available, local repository. Sir, we are using the commands, some blah blah commands we are using. How do you know? How do you know these commands where it is available? We are already created git repository, right? This git repository level commands are already it is available. Okay. Now my workspace level files are now it is available in my local repository. From this local repository, I need to send to the my report repository. Now my laptop level it is there, local repository. These files, if you want to access in our laptop, what is required? Why? Because some developers are sitting in India, some developers are sitting on America. Even though collaboratively we need to work, So how to do that one? So that is the purpose. What I need to do, I need to push this local files, local repository files into the where? My remote repository. Then how do you know remote repository address? Whenever you are going to creating repository, it is going to provide the remote repository information. Suchi IT-rea.js this one. This is the way it is available. You need to take this command and paste it here. Paste here and press enter. So that it is understanding your remote repository. That means remote repository location. Where is remote repository workspace? It is going to understand it. Now I need to push the files, right? For pushing purpose also command is available. Here I don't want to create any kind of branch. By default branch is every GitHub level by default branch is what? Master branch. Master branch is there. That master branch level I need to send the files. So how to send the files? We need to use here git push -u means upstream origin. Here we need to put the master, not for the main. Why? Because main is the branch name. But here I'm using the master. So that's the reason I need to provide here what? Master. And press this one. Press this one. It is going to checking first time. It is checking here. Username, password, like that. It is checking. This is the only one time process, security kind of thing. Next time onwards, it is not at all checking like this. Okay. Login fail. Why? Because that credentials are not correct. Password I don't know. That's the reason wrong password I entered. So what I need to do? We need to set the my credentials, email, password I need to configure. Okay. So here git config command is available. Git config email or username and password, like that. If you are going to search, you can able to see how to set the username and password. Git bash level, how to set the username and password, it is available here. This is the commands we need to use. Okay, this is the commands we need to use here. So I need to use command. This is the command. This is the command I'm going to using. Go to here. Otherwise, here it is asking the password. If something is wrong also, it is asking, you need to provide the correct one. Error writing STD to broken pipe. Skip message. Where it is error writing STDO out to broken pipe, application error. Going to cancel this one and do one more time. Even I'm going to set that one so that it is going to checking git config, like that. If I'm going to specify and set the username information, git config space user dot name. See, this is the username. Okay, I need to provide here git. What the command we need to use and set the values? Git config hyphen global user dot name equal to, see this one here, how we are going to provide uname space, we are going to providing what? Chandra BG is the username. Similarly, I need to provide email. I will give the list of commands I will give how to do this one. Next one is what? Email. Here email is I need to provide Chandra MCA04 at the rate gmail.com. That is also we are going to provide it. So after we have configure email, first one is username. Next we are going to provide it email. Next one is what? Password. Okay. This password I need to set. Again, what I need to do? I need to get. Okay. Push upstream origin master I'm going to using. This is the only one time. Next time onwards, it is not at all asking. So first time only it is asking this one. Okay. Here Chandra Niji. What happened? Still it is not updating. I think I need to open new bash and try to do this one. Okay. I need to open the new bash workspace level. I'm trying to implement it. Go to the show more options. Git basics. Here I need to use git push -u space origin space master. Okay. Wait. Something I'm going to provide that is I need to forget. I need to verify that one. Wait. Forgot that one. That's the reason. I got a mail. Now it is updated. This is also I'm going to refresh. Now I need to give the command again. They're all already it is showing, right? I'm going to clear this one. So here is the Control C is asking password. Something error it is going to get. Right. I'm closing this one. Again, I'm opening. Right click. Go to the git bash and git status. I'm going to checking. So changes not stacked for commit. So we need to add again git add space dot. So after that again git status I'm using git commit -m and we are going to provide the what first commit, right? So this is the way we are going to done already. No changes are added. Next we are going to provide it my remote repository git add remote repository and we need to push the code. Okay, so here we need to use git add git push directly. We can see what happened. We'll already add the remote repository, right? Git push upstream origin master. I'm going to use it. Again, it is asking this one. This is the first time only it is going to asking like this. Login, but here it is going to stopping. I think I need to close, and one more time I need to opening that GitHub also. Okay, sign in. I need to sign in. Here I need to provide. No, it is okay, right? Update password. Now we are getting this one. This is my remote repository. Now again go back to my workspace and open the git bash. Git bash is open. Now go back to here. Password, if you are going to remember, it is not taking this much of time. Okay. I'm going to paste this one. Battle remote origin is already existed. Okay. Next, we need to move this one. Paste this one. And we need to specify master. Is asking password. Okay, fine. Okay, here is some workspace level problem. It is showing that one, that the reason is taking the time. I will show simple kind of one application instead of going to push all the applications. One application I will push. So it is going to showing here some error message. So what I need to do quickly, I need to push one project. Okay. So one project I will push instead of going to pushing all the projects. I need to push one project. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to go to the Firebase application is there, right? So I need to go to here and open the git bash here. Git bash here. I need to check here git status first. These files I need to attach. So git add space dot, all the files I need to attach. After that git status I'm going to checking. These are all attached. Now I need to commit git commit -m space first commit, like that. I'm going to provide the message. After that I need to attach remote repository. Now instead of going to sending all the files, one project only I'm going to moving right now. Okay, so previously all the projects are available in the workspace. Now I'm trying to push only one. Okay, so after that git push upstream origin master we are going to using. Again we are going to get here, this is the username. Something is cancel basic credentials prompt, log on fail, use control C. Same thing I'm going to provide it. Okay, do one thing, guys. You can just create the GitHub account. We will continue for that one in the next session. Okay.